what's up? I'm Colleen and welcome to my channel. I'm just a girl who's enthusiastic about makeup and positivity. And when I say positivity, I mean bringing people up, not pushing people down. Being mean is not cool. Awesome people are not mean, so be kind all the time. So I can't believe tomorrow is already Halloween. It feels like October just completely flew by. So sadly, I know tears. Today is the last day of Colleen's Creeptober. So I figured since it is the last day, I will tell you another story from my real life haunted experiences. As always, I will have the timestamp listed below for those who don't want to listen to it and just want to go to the makeup tutorial. So this happened again when I was in college. It was in the fall of 2004. I was in my bed and it was probably like 6 or so in the morning. It was early and it was on a weekend, so I didn't have to get up, but I woke up and I'm like, I'm not getting up yet. I'm not getting up at 6 on a weekend. So I was trying to go back to sleep and I rolled over in my bed, and our beds were lofted, so we had like, it was off the ground. Like it was, you could stick drawers and stuff under it. And so I rolled and I actually started to roll off my bed and somebody caught me. Like I rolled into someone's like arms. Like I felt like these part of their arms like catch me, and they said Colleen, and it was a male's voice. The only other person in the room was my roommate, my best friend, sleeping. So I don't know, and I know I was awake and I clearly felt someone catch me, and they said my name and they stopped me from falling off my bed. And then when I put my hand out after I rolled back, nobody was there. There was nothing there, even though I had just felt like someone's forearms. I have a theory that it might have been my uncle who had passed away that July, and he was always a great man, and you know, we had a good relationship. So I don't know if maybe it was him, you know, just checking up on me and making sure I was okay, or it could have been a grandparent, whoever it was. It was not a malevolent spirit. I mean, they protected me from falling off my bed and essentially hurting myself. So I just think it was a protective spirit. I do believe it might have been a family member. At least that's what I hope. So anyway, that is the last Colleen's Creeptober story. Again, if you guys have any stories that you'd like to share with me, I would love to hear them, because I love hearing about everyone's like paranormal, supernatural stories. So for the last day of Colleen's Creeptober, I thought I would do something fun, and I'm going to do a forest fairy look, just because I love fairies. And I've gotten, for my birthday, my brother-in-law gave me Kimchi beauty palettes, and one of them was the Virgin Mojito, which just has these awesome greens in it. So immediately when I saw that, I knew that I wanted to use that as part of my forest fairy look. And just, I love fairies, so I just thought it'd be a fun, cute way to end Colleen's Creeptober. I'm gonna try and be a little creative. Again, like, creative, artistic makeup is not my forte, so we'll see how it goes. So anyway, I'm going to stop rambling and let's get into creating a forest fairy Halloween look. I just primed my eye with my P. Louise base, and now I'm going to go into this Kimchi palette, which is Virgin Mojito, and I'm going to go into this color Sour Apple right here. This is such a fun palette. They're so cute. I love it. And I'm just going to apply that in a windshield wiper motion back and forth on my eye. Put that a little far away. I'm not really sure why. So do you guys have any fun Halloween plans? I think I asked this in my last video, but I'll ask it again. Like I said, I'll be at work, but we can dress up, so it's nice. Actually, the kids were allowed to dress up all week, so it's been fun. And now for my brow bone area, I'm just going to dip into I Heart Revolution's Tasty Avocado palette, and I'm going to go into the color Pear right here. Yeah, my palette's a little dirty. Yeah, I took a fall last year and Bite didn't make it. I was so disappointed. I really liked that color too. I was really surprised that one smashed, because usually, like lately, knock on wood, I've been lucky and not too many shadows have smashed when the palettes have fallen because I'm clumsy and I pile stuff the way I shouldn't, and then it just falls off because I'm going to grab something. And yeah, it's just a lot of fun in my room. I have so much stuff. I've been trying to like organize and get rid of stuff, and I get overwhelmed very easily with a lot of stuff. So it's obviously going really well. So now I want to go into this color called Sour Pop, which this is the color that I saw and I'm like, that is Forest Fairy color. And I'm just going to go in on the lower part of my crease, bringing it up a little bit to meet and blend in with Sour Apple, excuse me. Yeah, I really like the quality of these shadows. I saw a couple of really good reviews on Kimchi Beauty, and I was always curious about it because I like RuPaul's Drag Race and I like kimchi, so I was really happy when my brother-in-law got me like the little 4 bundle of like the little 9-pan palettes for my birthday. I thought that was so sweet. It was so nice. And that's going to go in again with the brush that I had Sour Apple on and just kind of blend them together a little bit. So now I'm just going to take some more P. Louise base just on a flat shadow brush, and I'm going to cut my crease a little bit. I mean, it's not going to be like a severe cut crease. I just want a nice base down for Devinah's Rainbow Blossom to go on. I'm trying to do it on camera because I'm trying to get used to doing it. I have another mirror that I bought from Five Below for $5 that lights up, and I was trying to set it up so that I could like use that when I wanted to do things like this where like I really like to concentrate more. And the angling was just not working. I'll figure it out. I gotta move some stuff around. I was trying to get like the light on it and stuff. And the camera. And the angle was just really weird. That's how it was sitting. So eventually. I'm not very good at this, as you can see. So like that. And then I want a nice base for Rainbow Blossom to sit on as well, like a tackier base. So I'm just going in with some glitter glue. This one's from BH Cosmetics, but it's pretty much the exact same thing as the NYX glitter glue and any other glitter glue that you can buy from places. And I'm just rubbing it on my finger, and I'm going to lightly just pat it on. So I don't want it to be like too cakey or gunky. I just want it to be a little tackier than the P. Louise base. So now I'm going to go into Devinah Cosmetics Shadow in Rainbow Blossom. It's such a beautiful color. It's like this. Again, completely fall fairy-ish. I had to use it. And I'm just going to press it on with my finger. Sorry if my finger was blocking part of all of this doing it. But just like that. And then I want to take the brush that I had the Kimchi darker green on and just go around where it meets it and just smooth it out a little bit. So like this so far. Off camera, I just went in with LA Girl's neon eyeliner in the color Gotcha on my waterline. Now I'm going to go back into the Kimchi palette, and I'm going to go into that color Sour Pop again. I'm just picking it up on like a little brush like this, and I'm going to apply it under my lower lash line. And then I'm just going to take a tiny little brush and just smooth it out a little bit. And for my inner corner, I'm going to stick with the Kimchi palette. And I'm going to go into this color Yellow Diamond right here. So like this right now. So off camera, because I'm dumb and I forgot that I wanted to actually do the green part on camera, I just wanted to show you that I went in back into the I Heart Revolution Avocado palette, and I went into this color half right here, just on like a little tiny angled brush, and I just brushed it back and forth here, and then I put it down here as well, and it went over my highlight, which I had laser glazer on before. I know it was like a little intense for me, but it's green, so that's what I wanted to. And then for a little bit of extra green in there, just to like give it some depth, I went into Smash from the Peachy Queen Bright Lights palette. And now I'm going to, and then for my, I'm trying to make like a branch kind of look. I'm actually going to go into Phantasi Cosmetics liner in Anubis, and I'm going to draw that with a very thin, small pencil. I can't do it like holding a mirror, so I'm gonna have to do it off camera. I apologize. I wanted to add like a little bit of sparkle to it. I'm actually going to go into Morphe's GLSEN palette, and I'm gonna jump into this Live Your Life green pressed glitter, and I'm going to apply that kind of like to where the branches are on my eye. I mean, around my eye, to give it like a sparkle. Because fairies definitely have sparkle. So like this so far. So this is my finished forest fairy look. I just finished it up with these flowers that I got from Walmart last night because I wanted to do some kind of flower tiara, and I realized I didn't have one that would work, so I totally ran there, and this was only like $4, so it worked out perfect. And then for my lips, I just went in with Honest Beauty's lip souffle, I believe it's souffle, in Energize, which is a really pretty soft pink color, because I figured she would have, this forest fairy would have nice soft pink colors. I didn't want to overdo my lips and do too much glitter because I have glitter and stuff here. I didn't want to take away from that, so I felt the lips would be better, more on the softer side. So this is it. I mean, I kind of like it. I mean, I'm not perfect with doing like, you know, artistic kind of stuff, but for me, I think it came out pretty good. I think you can tell that I'm supposed to be some kind of like woodland fairy animal creature. So anyway, my celestial cupcakes, that is it for this video. If you liked this video, please feel free to give it a like. If you really, really like this video, please feel free to subscribe. If you want to do neither one of those things, that is totally fine. I get it. I am not one of the cool kids, but I thank you very much for stopping by and spending this minute with me. I really, really appreciate it. So I will still send you tons of happy thoughts and positive vibes your way just for stopping by. So thank you. As always, I will have everything that I'm wearing on my face, as well as my Twitter and Instagram handles listed below in case you want to follow me there. I post pictures of looks that I do not film, as well as pictures of my pets that I think that are adorable. But of course, we are all biased when it comes to our fur babies, but oh well. So anyway, from one makeup lover to another, I hope you guys have a fantastic day, and remember, be you, do you, love you. Bye!